Perodua kembara. Install Lenovo D1 Pro XQ, 8-core processor, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, QLED screen. Okay, good fitting OEM casing. QLED screen. Pro XQ 4+64. Setting: turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Okay, network. It's got a 4G SIM card. After insert the SIM card, turn on network. Okay, 9-inch Android, no DVD, no SD card. It's got a true USB slot. We put in a drawer. Inside a drawer extension. Daytime and nighttime brightness adjust. Change your boot logo. Bluetooth function, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. You can change your device name. Radio. Select the video and the music. You can click for the BTAV, it's means Bluetooth music. After pairing with your phone Bluetooth, you can share your phone Bluetooth music, share your phone music to car player by BTAV. Okay, Lenovo D1 Pro XQ, 9-inch, big screen Android GPS player with OEM casing, good fitting. Perodua kembara. Okay, installed by One Piece. Video by Andy. Thank you.